Oh my god, I am so fed up with all of those people who are making neurodiversity a trend. Everywhere I go, I see people with poppets, and it annoys the shit out of me because neurodivergent people like myself need those things for, like, to focus, and you're just using them because they're fun to play with. And there's no problem with using something because it's fun, but, like, you're making it, like, being neurodivergent into a trend, and, like, using them in class because you need them. Like, bitch, you don't need them. You're just mocking us. And then you turn around, use the R slur, and you, like, we all know you're A+. I'm sorry for what I'm saying, makes absolutely no sense, and that's okay, because I hate these people. I want to punch these people in the face, and because they make me hostile. They, like, I have to use those, and people are getting them banned because they're getting banned from schools because everyone's using them, and not just the people who actually need them. And I'm one of those people who actually need them to focus, and you are ruining them for me. It is incredibly difficult for me to focus without something to play with. Usually I just, instead of fidgeting, I cut myself. And that's not good. So, that's why I need fidgets, and that's why I'm so angry at you. You can play with those at home. A lot of the people I know use the R slur a lot. I've only said it a couple times in my entire life, and I'm actually allowed to say it. And the people who aren't allowed to say it like way more than the people who are allowed to say it. What does that say about humanity? I've, like, never said a slur that I'm not allowed to use. Why can't you be respectful like that? But I'm getting off topic because, I don't know, I just hate you. I hate you. And this might not sound extremely angry. You might not be able to tell the anger in my voice. I want to throw something across the room. Saw a bunch of kids with poppets today. Annoyed the crap out of me. Because, I mean, it's fine. Also, happy Pride Month, everyone. Hope you have a great month. Also, I'm thinking about buying those Pride Skittles because they really look delicious, and I want to support a gay business. Anyway, goodbye.